Maui. Yet sa ikwang ko si kayo sing autobiography. How would you like that?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Anyway, i-English ko mo isyom sa iguatan ng Sarah. Si Sarah naman alikad ko. Nabasan ko ikaw ano. Si Kak kaunuran na anak na ng Siakawi. Yut si Kak na anak ka, di kakinonan itatangko. Nung tangko no, siya in sige announce ko no danang ko si Kak tadong bulan kon guaray what you call it malokon sayag siya kono kon nane apay to edapwaan alinja to edapwaan niya si Kak ya kaonoran jet idi hatan di nay anak akmala jet siyempre kita malaka umba dek say nakapuoti so tanda panguduan mila yasakay sa itog siguro siya tudong tawang ko umununtan tanakapan nako si osilis na nakutan alih taman tiyit sitan ya to ka so ta si itog na aksidente jet inakan siya di jay sa tanda ka mga tas si puti. Time went on, di naknan iskwida. Yet, i-degrade wala siya grades. Sa grade wala, nakaakara niya bila ang katod siyakdan. Isong si kayon amin, mas may mayat kayo son si kayo, tanda iso pa bilon nyo ka pa ni skwiday. Yet nung tampay nga roda, ta si kakar kaunuran, nakamakayayan da sunan manangkab na si Kaloy. Yet say siya ka, say nakasyal-syal na payaw. Si mapayaw si Bunagan. Mapayaw din man. Yet, adisidigat ni Biyag, pinisyasan ko. Yet no akaman, sacrificio, talagang warakad man ni Olay. Noog singaag mo namnaman isa kaya ako ali. Yut isatan hatan ipiyang kon ikwanson si kayo tas si kayo namin talagang si kayo inaksyan ko di. Tas makuson si kayo yanak iaka ko di ang ko tas ay anjuak tantay unan tayo. Yut say piyang kon ikwan ko si kayo tas si kak ngaron ikaunuran mala. Si Kak may narang yun sing kaunuran. Pansisin na makayon sa naaki. Taay si nahutukan mo gwaray apo-apo so nagwaray what you call this jealousy. Ay siya pambadiwan mo. Iso nga kayo yung kay si kayo. Iso nga agkakpinsyuan da yung kwandan isyong. Salamat. Tadi mo kayo din amin, sa unanta kayo, samako sa maskun amin to si kayo. Agdalo iraja, kakinonan, na anak sa yaira, si kayo in-laws, si kayo din, nakamakawanso ni pamilya ni Siakawi, and quid no. Yet, okay, hindi, nan-iskwida, piang kon ikwanso si kayo ni digat niya man eskwida won. I understand. Di mawak si ng eskwida ni nursing. Impasak in nursing test. Nang pomo agmingarod po siyan tuition. Asyakal naman no singa si mamakson si kami no paunay mo ka-interesadom. Yaman eskwida. Wino singa manis ko ida sa segwa itanangan mo. Yet that guara naman iray sira Mayor Jose Piok si kato naman tan si Francie at si attorney na para dah dinip ka nang kulak. Kita kamandip ka ni. Si karon naman amiya ang piyal na mulod ni pilak si Bangko Jessica yung empan first tuition ko. Yet dosas makisyango alinguhot kuan mo iakan mo sumak na iakan mo ni material namsuta posom iponay mo sumak mo ni kait mo santo idi naksingak ma kami ngalan ni Tesya Manila yet insual me lang namsutan mo nga ron mo on that time 1959 Guarekwan siya exchange visitor students. Yet nan-apply at na-approvean i-application ko unda si Amerika. Yet so tanuman da sira samak naman da iranan Salome and Antero Alumet si karamuan naman ipimyal amyal na ngala amulos aliwat amulod ya ang pampayat ko ni Indaw kod Amerika. Yet back to that story, okay, I worked in Bambang for a while for 1 year and then I went that's it and then I went to States. So tabi na siya ay bayat ko doon sa suwilsyo may taotek nga ron suwilsyo ta exchange nga ron. Yet 2 years you have to come back, otherwise they will deport you and you'll have a bad record. And then we exceeded in Canada ta isipilak mi din on Oli. But back to the story, when I was working in Bambang, you know, there were young people, young gentlemen like you. They come, and you know, there's like a tree, like a guava tree, and then there's indayon. And then they will be, the young men there, they will come in they just come in, see us also, and they befriended us. So that's the first time that I was befriended with one of the young guy who is from Ilocos Norte, but they immigrated to Nueva Vizcaya, Bambang. Okay. And in Caloocan, I don't know. But you know, they were the ones who were even they were even telling me, you know, he's a good boy. He's a son of a pastor. So and they know how to sing because you know he is a member of the United Church of Christ. So they said they're very good. They can sing. So anyway, after that, I went to America. That was the backstory. And then we communicated for 5 years. And then when I came back. And then I came back in 1960. I left in 1961. Then came back in 1965. Okay. Then when we see each other again, we rekindle our friendship. So, well, we're already old. I was 27, and I think, well, I am even younger. I am even older for about 1 month, because I was September, and he is October, so just 1 month. So we got married. Oh, before we got married, before the blessing, the priest said that if you are not baptized, I baptize you, because he is. Okay, so I got married here in the school. Yeah. The Bilay school is where we had our the blessings. Yes, and we have been dancing here after that. And he is our ring bearer, and that's why I named him Noel. I was in Malang Bia is, I guess, the flower girl with another from Ilocano. right? So that was the story. Yeah. Now, right now, right now I have 3 kids. First one is Sarah. No, I mean, I'm sorry. First one is Sally Gomay. Sally Gomay. Second is this Sarah Jane. And then the third is Jan Jan. Sally Gomay doesn't have a kid. She's already more than 50. And of course, she will tell you what she has. And I have a son. We call her Jan Jan. Jan Jan is, of course, junior. And she has 2. A boy and a girl. And the boy is 18-year-old. And the second is 13. So that's what we have. I mean, there. Actually, they were so worried for me to come home because of my health condition. And I'm already old. It's really hard for me to walk. I you know, when I'm walking, I'm wiggle. What do you call that? Wobbly. Singa agmadaknay may imandesadi. Yeah, pulled. So, but because of the desire that I want to see you as I am growing old, so you can see me, and here I am. So I think that's all that I could tell you right now. You can ask me personal things. So now I pass it to Sarah.
Tagalog. Speak in Tagalog. Lucano.
Kumusta kayo?
Okay lang.
Shakti Sarah Jane, Quino Castillo Chan. I am the second daughter of Nora and Virgilio. I was born in Baguio in December 1968. So that would be over 50. I'm your cool aunt. So for those younger, I'm your cool aunt. Like Mom said, there are 3 of us, Manang Sally, and then there's John. And John has 2 kids. Mom mentioned the oldest is Mateo, and we came here in 2018, so some of you have already met him. And then Angelina, who goes by Lena, is 13, and also she was here in 2018. My husband is Felix Chan. Oh, I'm sorry. Manang Sally's husband is Rudy Rosselli, and he's Ilocano, actually. His family comes from Bagabag in Nueva Vizcaya.
Oh.
And the last name is Rosselli. I don't know, it doesn't sound Filipino to me, but he's Filipino. And then John's wife, her name is Helen, and she's Guatemalan, so Hispanic, yeah. And then my husband is Chinese. His name is Felix Chan, and he's actually been here 3 times, right? Yeah, 3 times. And he actually enjoys being here. A lot of cousins and nieces and nephews hiked with us to Mount Pulag. Well, he finished Mount Pulag, and me and your Auntie Corazon took a nap. And then, so I have 2 children. I have a 16-year-old. His name is Asher, and he came here in 2013, and I have very cute pictures of a lot of the little ones who are now big, and I've shared them with you, so you know who you are. And then my youngest, Bonso? No, Bonso. Her name is Scout, and she is 8 years old. In fact, her birthday is February 21, and she will be 9. And she loves the Philippines. Asher likes Philippines, but he would rather go somewhere else. I don't know. I really want them to come back to experience the beauty of Bila, the beauty of his family, and to know his history, because I've learned so much from everyone here while we've been here, and I've learned Shang Shang, and I've enjoyed Shang Shang, and then I've learned Kala, Kalamangan,
Butog.
Buto, Buto,
Butog.
But, Buto,
Pig.
No, we will not share that again. You're always kidding me. Stop. No, I'm kidding. But thank you for the hospitality. Thank you for the welcome. Thank you for the love. And thank you for always taking care of our Inang. The kids miss her, but they know that she's in good care with you guys. And I'm emotional because this is very important to Mom, and I'm grateful that family is here to help and support her. So thank you. Oh, and okay, one more.
Yeah, I have to say something.
Okay, you say it, and then we will give our presentation.
Yay.
Talagang masyad sa nakaulay, tagwara kayo din. Kakana. Dalo dito, dapat numapis kaya. Ara-ara ko yung mga katin, ano, saan siya dito mawali. It is really very emotional for me to see all of you. That's the only thing that I could see. And salamat amin. Na-appreciate amin ni mambindiyasyon sa sikariyo.
And our presentation is no, but we want to leave you with our love. Oh yeah. And just for everybody, we brought American chocolate. So please help yourself to some candies. Yeah, we will put it out on the table for. Yeah.
Picture, photo ops. Photo ops.
Oh yeah, my autograph.
Yeah. Simulay na.
Baka wala pa yung non-register, ay man-register pa lang siya man. Tan ima notebook nan antid man, isudat jo ko noy pian jun at wanson si Kato.